Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal, but I started before for the last couple of days. I've made videos on this. Well, I put a interactive fill to the center of all these colors and made it dark. If you were going to print it on like a black shirt with a white outline, this would maybe be pretty cool. So we're just going to go over the whole thing. I'm going to go and left click, right click. So that's just a text. I'm going to go to object and convert it to a curve so I can change the width of the line. Now I'm going to go to object and convert the outline to an object. And if you didn't watch that in part one, back up and watch part one. So now we're just going to use the smart fill tool and we're going to fill in these letters and I'm going to nudge them out of the way separately so I can have them where I can grab them. We'll go ahead and do that one there. This is all grouped together. The T has to be on top. And if you want it, well, you don't want to move that T, so I'd be real careful trying to center it. You could center it pretty good. I'm going to use my hotkey, which is W, which I showed in the last video. It doesn't look so good there, but when we put a background on it, so I'm going to hit W again. And I'm not moving the text, I'm moving the color, grab them both, W, and then move it up. And the W is the intersect tool, which is intersecting those two colors. Now, what's kind of cool about this, let's move all this other stuff out of the way. I can move them now. I can just delete these. And if we take this and zoom in and put a white background, and you can see what I've got, or a white, no, yeah, it looks white. You can't see it, but then we take a black. Let's put it on a blue shirt this time, see what it looks like, or a blue something. Go up to object order, back a page. I really think it stands out better with the black because it kind of goes in with that dark appeal in the middle. And I might have overdone it on the colors, on the darkness. But you could also maybe use the transparency tool and just have it kind of be transparent. And then it would kind of blend into the black. Anyway, that's a pretty cool text effect. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.